I've got two amazing machines with me today. I've got this, as you can see, beautiful Ferrari 296 GTB, which is one amazing machine. I've got another amazing machine, which you'll see in a minute, which is Elliot. It's not that dirty, as you can probably see. So he's gone, James, I know you only cleaned it last week. Can you come and clean it again? Right, this is how dirty the car is. A leaf got on it. Yeah? It's clean now. Look at there, the brew. What's it got on there? Merry what?
Stitchmas.
Merry Stitchmas.
I didn't choose the mug, right?
Is there a brew for me?
There
Cup
is,
for me?
over on the
Where's my brew?
cupboard down.
He's got his brew. I've got my brew. Let's go. Got in here, bit of built hampers. Built hamper, bit hamper. Bit hamper. It's like glyco, isn't it? Yeah. Built hampers, traceless, touchless. And yeah, let's foam her up. Full product. Straight overlapping lines.
When was the first time you got like a first nice fancy car?
It was the guy at EZ, the owner at EZ. So the bypass near me, he used to literally cane it at the speed limit for weeks and weeks and weeks on the bypass. I thought, I'd love to be able to get, you know, my hands on that Lambo. So I was about to put my flyer in, and as I put my flyer in the door sort of opened, so I kind of shit it. Yeah. I got scared, right? And I literally just, as the door swung open, I went, just put it on the floor and like shut the door to, and then just kind of like minced off. And about an hour later, phone goes off. He goes, oh, my name is X from EZ Car Care. And I, believe it or not, if he's watching this, I didn't know who EZ Car Care was. And he said, basically, come down. Went to their offices. And again, remember, I'm only 4 months in. So there's 3 of them, multi-millionaires, me, ex-army, ex-electrician, who has just started cleaning cars. I'm like, what am I doing here? Then gave us loads of products to test, and I thought that was it. And then lo and behold, James, you're quite a charismatic, interesting guy, aren't you? He said, can you just go on camera for us and just film some ads? Came back the second time, and obviously he was there with his Lambo. Yeah. And I said, Lambo looks a little bit dirty. I said, I've got a couple of hours free. I lied. And he went, yeah, go on. I was there for 5 hours, mate. Long story short, first supercar. So I saw it driving on the bypass, put a flyer in, calls me up, and then, yeah, clean his Lamborghini. Just get yourself out there, speak to people. Flyering, door knocking. Do you know what I mean? Create content like we're doing now.
It's the fact that everyone's going to be able to see the weird, like, that I do when you're filming.
No, it's this one, innit? This one. This is my favourite. Right. So I'm Elliot, ready? No. It's like with me, mate, when I'm in a tight space in between cars.
That was a sexy shot.
Strike a pose. So when you're rinsing a car, do the side that you stood on. So what I mean by that is, let's say I'm on the driver's side, which I am now, I'll rinse the driver's side down, and then all the flat panels, the roof, the bonnet, the windscreen, the rear end, I will rinse all that away from me, because I don't want to do one side, went way around and then rinse it back over here, back over there. Now I've done the drivers, I've done all the large flat panels, and I'll work my way around the car, done the rear end, and then finish off at the passenger side. Quick snowy, again, contact wash the car, rinse her off, dry her off, and we're job done, that's all they want. So I've got a bit of shampoo, EZ Car Care Supernova, you can't buy it anymore, it's been discontinued, which is a shame, because it's a very, very good shampoo. Guys, watching this, tell me your favourite smelling product. I want to know. I really want, seriously, I really want to know. What, arse spray? Oh mate, the smell, the suds, all of it.
It's beauty, that, isn't it?
Absolutely stunning.
You're probably asking why you're not doing the wheels, James.
It's literally, I cleaned it last week, it's driven back, and it's driven forward.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah.
I mean, you look at the wheels, they look dirty too. Do you know what I mean?
I just know there's a kid in the comments.
There's always a kid in the comments. Yeah. There's always a kid in the comments. I like the kids that are in the comments.
Whoa.
Hello?
Hello, I'm just wondering if you could help me with my car. We gave a car to a car wash for the full valet. So they cleaned it, they done the full valet, and they gave it back the car to us on Monday. Straight after they did, we went on 5-day holidays, and they didn't dry it up properly.
I took to car wash Well, why did you take to car wash? What did you expect at car wash? Imagine if you took this to car wash for £5. Do you really think it'd come out like brand new? Unless it's PPF'd, but then again, you know, you're protected, aren't you? What's your favourite colour on this Ferrari?
Yeah, if you're gonna have a Ferrari, you gotta have it in red, ain't you?
Do you think?
Red or, like, I'm terrible with this though. Blacked out, mate. Yeah, exactly.
Do you know what?
It's bad, isn't it?
Charlie said the same thing as well, you know.
Said what, black?
Black.
Yeah, see, me and Charlie, drug dealer vibes, mate.
Checks, you know.
Hiya, I'm just ringing. Have you got any availability today for a wash?
We are at the unit today. If you're happy to come to us, I'll send you our address and I'll see you soon.
Yeah. Cheers, pal.
Cheers, mate. Bye-bye. Now, I sound really rude on the phone then, and I get that, but I'm busy. I've got stuff to do, and we've got to get back to the unit because Charlie's desperate for our help to get back to the unit for the A3 we've got in there anyway. So just, look, that was a 2-minute phone call. It was literally, hi, this is service I want. Can you help me? Yes, but if you're happy to
And that's the privilege of being busy as well,
yeah,
right?
allow me to help you. Help me help you. Yeah, come to our unit. We're there all day. Just let me know. I can give you some time. And by the way, we've been here for an hour and a bit, and we've had 2 phone calls, a couple of messages.
4 leads before we got here.
So 4 leads before we got here of people wanting to book in. 2 from last night, 2 from this morning. 2 phone calls this morning, and 2 extra messages on top of that this morning, and a call from Charlie. So yeah, I mean, and we're not like a lot of the probably car details out there potentially faking phone calls. Just saying. They've got so many fins, gaps, plastics, areas. Just loves to hold water. If the only bit of information you ever remember, when a customer gives you the key, either have it on you at all times or in a safe space, somewhere in your van or whatever it is, yeah? I'm thinking about getting a blower, leaf blower. You know what I mean? Through the cars, yeah. So annoying that you just, on camera, you can never actually truly show before and afters. I mean, you can, but you, like, in real terms, it just, in the real world, it's always so much different and better.
James, mate, you're gonna get sacked, look at that.
Well done. Leaf.
Left a leaf,
Nah,
mate.
that's from the blower. Can you hear him? Can you not hear him? He's there. He's blown that over. I think Alex filmed for about an hour and a half non-stop. So, hope you've enjoyed this waffle, fly in the wall sort of scenario, right? As in, stuck on the side of my van. Unfortunately, guys, this is the sort of content we're kind of doing at the minute, purely because, as you've probably gathered from a few of the phone calls, and the hecticness that we're going through every day, the time to create content is less and less. So please do bear with us. Our lifetime long-term aim with this business is for me and Elliot, or me and maybe another videographer, to just go out and just create content, because this, for me, is not work. This, I enjoy this more than anything, just creating content. So anyway, thank you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See you later. As if you're just speaking to the camera.
Yeah, like that, perfect, nice, cool. Okay, cool. I don't know, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice. Perfect.
Yeah?